So today what I'm going to talk about is Wi-Fi, and a question that I get a lot of times is, why do I have two versions of my Wi-Fi and which one of those should I connect to? What I'm talking about is, the 2.4 and the 5.0 that you might see on your Wi-Fi. And there are some people that think they are two separate Wi-Fi connections, and they're not two separate connections. They're two different versions of the same connection, okay? So initially the 2.4 was the only thing available, and so it never said 2.4, it was just your Wi-Fi. And then they came out with the 5.0 version, and so a lot of people think, oh, well, the 5.0 is better, so I should always connect to that. And that's not necessarily true. So here's the difference. The 2.4 has a longer broadcast, but it's not as fast. So what that means is, if you're going to be using your Wi-Fi out in your backyard, on the patio, something like that, you probably want to connect to the 2.4. Where the 5.0 is good is in your house, near the router, maybe for your Xbox or your gaming computer or something like that, because that's a much faster connection, but it doesn't broadcast as far. So if you were out in the yard and you're trying to connect to the 5.0, it's probably not going to do you much good. So it's great to have both of them. And what I suggest is, on your laptop, on your phone, connect to both of them, put the password in on both of them, so that wherever you happen to be, you will get the strongest signal. Now, add to that mesh Wi-Fi, and that's a whole nother conversation. So if you've got areas in your house where Wi-Fi is a little spotty, things like that, using a combination of the mesh Wi-Fi and your 2.4 and your 5.0 network, we can make it so much better. If you need help with that, give me a call.